Heal pain and recover faster with safe, effective light therapy. If you want to feel better faster, Celluma Light Therapy has you covered. A better pain-free you is as easy as 1, 2, 3. Simply power on, select mode, and start. The Celluma Pro and Celluma Restore are convenient to use anywhere, and Celluma Deluxe is a portable device. The Celluma Deluxe bends to your needs, giving you maximum light therapy coverage. Recover faster and fight pain quicker with Celluma Light Therapy's versatile 3-in-1 solution. Treat acne, wrinkles, and pain. Great for the whole family. Wellness through the power of light with Celluma Light Therapy.